The goal of the program is to prepare a student to go into industry as an entry-level technician. Students come in, they learn safety and foundations, then they learn basic skills to do oil changes and tires. That progresses to drivetrain, and then they work in the second year. They will work on air conditioning systems, diagnostic, automatic transmissions, so those are higher level operations in the industry. Most students will start the day with lecture. Typically we talk about it, read about it, do it. We have an amazing facility with 3 large labs. All of the labs are fitted with hoists. We've expanded and added hoists as time goes on. All of the labs have computers in them with diagnostic software on them. We have a very good tool room, so we have a lot of hardware. They are clean, they are well equipped. The shop owners love that because they want a clean shop, so we're teaching the students to work in a clean environment.
We have a couple of Ford technicians, Ford Master technicians, who've been there for 10 plus years. Some of us have worked for Mercedes-Benz all across the United States. Myself, who was in chain stores for auto repair, we absolutely do our best to set students up for success.
We have partnerships with a variety of shops in town. We have dealerships, Mercedes-Benz, Land Rover, Subaru, Ford. With the Ford training, they get online training, and 3 of our classes are the equivalent of a Ford factory class that they would attend as an employee for Ford. The Mercedes-Benz stuff is current Mercedes-Benz product. Subaru, same thing, it's current Subaru product. So they actually learn 3 different brands.
You will be in a social environment. The classroom and the laboratory is a social environment. It is so crucial that you learn how to engage with your peers on a respectful and constructive level towards the same goal so that you can work as a team and meet those goals.
The CWI students, when they're coming in to our program, they have a lot more knowledge. A lot of the individuals that do apply for jobs don't really have the mechanical background. They're not sure exactly what we do, how the dealership works, and that's what CWI does as it prepares them for the workforce.
The industry requires technicians to have their own tools, so we are setting you up with everything you need to begin a career in the automotive field. It's a basic set of hand tools, so our tool room has specialty tools that students would also need to learn how to use that they might run across in industry. So we cover the full range of basic hand tools to specialty tools while they're in the program.
You get connections in industry to different jobs, which is really big, really huge. You have certifications coming out of CWI. You also have tools coming out of CWI. You get to take those tools home, so that can help you in industry. You know, you don't have to buy a bunch as a startup. Tools are expensive. You also get a discount through CWI when you're going to school here, so you can buy even more tools. And so it really does help. And also just the knowledge bank you get a huge knowledge bank from here, and it's really good for people starting out and for people that have already been doing it for a little while. So you definitely take a step up after you're here.
We got everything from German vehicles to American-made models. So it was a really great learning experience.
Everyone at CWI is very open. Everyone had very good experience in the automotive industry. They're all very helpful.
Coming to CWI and doing the automotive program is a huge jump start.